A warm greetings from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Professor Radhika from Chemistry Department. In this video lecture series, we discuss about our new course, that is Environmental Sciences and Sustainability. The course code is GE3451. So this Environmental Sciences and Sustainability paper is completely different from Environmental Sciences and Engineering course. So this course also having 5 units. The unit 1 describes about our environment, ecosystem and biodiversity. In this unit we discuss about what is the importance of environmental studies and ecosystem, how the energy flow takes place in an ecosystem, and biodiversity, its classification and its important values, and the threats and conservation of biodiversity. Our second unit is environmental pollution. In this unit, we discuss about the causes, consequence and control measures of water, air, soil, noise pollutions, and the new topics are solid, hazardous and e-waste management. And we will discuss about the case studies on occupational health and safety management systems and the environmental protection acts. Unit 3 consists of renewable sources of energy. That is how the new energy sources are needed and how what are the different types, what are the applications of the new energy sources like hydrogen energy, ocean, tidal energy. Okay. Then it also having the concept, origin and power plants of geothermal energy. Fourth unit is sustainability and management. It is a new unit. So in this unit we discuss about what is meant by GDP, what do you mean by sustainability, its concepts, needs and challenges. Okay. Similarly, it describe about sustainable development goals and the indicators and intervention areas like climate change. Similarly, the concept of carbon credit, carbon footprint and environmental management in industry also discussed. Then in unit 5, sustainability practices. In this sustainability practices unit, it describes about zero waste or concept, circular economy, green materials, green buildings, energy cycles, green engineering. So these are the topics included in the unit 5. So the main course objective of this GE3451 Environmental Sciences and Sustainability course is to study the nature and facts about environment. In order to reduce the environmental problems, to find and implement scientific, technological, economic and political solutions, to maintain an interrelationship between living organisms and environment. In order to understand the features of our Earth interior as well as surface, it helps to study the dynamic processes. Similarly, its main objective is to study the integrated themes and biodiversity, natural resources, pollution control and waste management. After successful completion of this environmental science and sustainability course, the students can able to describe the or illustrate the important features of ecosystem and biodiversity. They can choose the pollution control methods and waste management techniques. They can be able to understand the potential of energy generation from wind, solar, geothermal and other clean renewable sources. Studying via sustainability unit, they can able to explain the impact on economic viability, environmental protection and social equity. They can demonstrate an understanding of role of sustainability in contemporary industrial practices. Okay. Let us start. We move to our first unit. So our first unit is environment, ecosystem and biodiversity. So we know that environment is defined as the sum of total of all the living and non-living things around us which are influencing one another. Environment is mainly classified into two types. One is natural environment and another one is a man-made environment. Natural environments are characterized by natural components. Man-made environment is made by human beings. So we know that man is the most powerful environmental agent. In order to fulfill his need, he can able to modify the environment like construction of buildings, railway lines, parks, etc. Then the importance of environment, scope and importance of environment. So to get an awareness and sensitivity to the total environment and its related problems. So via studying this environmental course, everyone should get an awareness and sensitivity to the total environment and its related problems. And to motivate the active participation in environmental protection and also its improvement, to develop skills for identifying and solving our environmental problems, to know the necessity of conservation of natural resources, to evaluate environmental programmers in terms of social, economic, ecological and aesthetic factors. Let us see the importance of environmental study. Environmental study is mainly based on a comprehensive view of various environmental systems. Its main aim is to make a citizen competent to do scientific work to find out the practical solutions to current environmental problems. We know that our world population is continuously, tremendously increasing, particularly in developing countries. All our natural resources are endowment in the earth are limited. So the methods and techniques of exploiting natural resources should be advanced. The resources are overexploited and there is no foresight of leaving the resources to the future generations. The unplanned exploitation of all type of natural resources leads to pollution. The pollution and degraded environment seriously affect ill health to the society. Education and trainings are very important to save the biodiversity and species extinction. The urban areas coupled with industries are the major sources of pollution. So totally in order to protect our environment from hazards, pollution and attain the sustainability, we must have a knowledge about environmental studies. Why the public awareness is important? Why we have to create the awareness among the people related to environmental issues? So how we can create the awareness? So among the students we can create through education, introducing the environmental studies in curriculum. Among the people via mass media, like the environmental programs conducted through TV, radios, we can make the awareness. Similarly, with the help of decision makers, planners and leaders, from their support, we can create the awareness related to environmental issues. Then the NGOs, the non-government organizations also play a vital role in order to create the awareness among the people regarding environment. So let us see what's their role. That NGOs advise the government in interact with ground level people and they organize a public meetings to create environmental awareness. There are four types of public participations are there. One is pressure group, watchdog, advisory council, enforcing laws. So pressure group is nothing but it is required to influence the government on one hand and the industries on the other hand. Watchdog means it's a main function to protect the interest of public against environmental hazardous activities. Advisory council constitute to keep the environment suitable for living. And enforcing laws. Public can enforce the environmental laws, can conduct public interest litigation. So by using based on these types of public participation, we may protect our environment from hazardous. We can create the awareness among the people regarding our environmental problems. With the help of awareness, the people can make the solution. The students can make the suitable techniques to prevent pollution in the earth crust. We will discuss the next topics of ecosystem, how the energy flow takes place in an ecosystem, biodiversity, values, conservation in the next videos. Thank you.